Hi, welcome back to Vijay tutorial. இன்னைக்கு 10th standard memory poem No Men Are Foreign தாங்க பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். Remember, no men are strange, no countries foreign. Remember, no men are strange, no countries foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon. Is earth like this in which we all shall lie? Is earth like this in which we all shall lie? They too aware of sun and air and water. They too aware of sun and air and water. Are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter starved. Are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter starved. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read. A labor not different from our own. A labor not different from our own. Remember, they have eyes like ours that weak. Remember, they have eyes like ours that weak. Our sleep and strength that can be won. Our sleep and strength that can be won. By love in every land is common life. By love in every land is common life. That all can recognize and understand. That all can recognize and understand. Let us remember whenever we are told. Let us remember whenever we are told. To hate our brothers, it is ourselves. To hate our brothers, it is ourselves. That we shall dispossess, betray contempt. That we shall dispossess, betray contempt. Remember, we who take arms against each other. Remember, we who take arms against each other. It is the human earth that we defile. It is the human earth that we defile. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocents. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocents. Of air that is everywhere our home. Of air that is everywhere our home. Remember, no men are foreign and no countries strange. Remember, no men are foreign and no countries strange. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.